One of my followers, Sky, sent me and Andrew these JUDRT heated vests. So I would like to do an unboxing and review on them, and we'll use them tonight. And I will let you know how they are. But thank you so much to Sky. I'm really excited. I've heard great things. So let's do a review. A native Floridian freezing their butts off in a van. Will these JUDRT, his and her heated vests, keep us warm? Is it worth the price tag? So thank you so much. And I'm pretty excited to try these out. I think we need to charge them. So let's open it up. This one is the men's. And then this one is the women's. First of all, just as far as packaging, I already love the case. It is a really nice reusable case with mesh on the side. And it says 3 temperature adjustments, efficient heating element, rapid heating, distributed heating zone, overheating safety protection, all area heating system 3.0. Of course, I will have all of this linked if you are interested. Oh, wow, it has like a little strap to put it in. So this could definitely go in your luggage or wherever. Oh, wow. Okay, this is already really impressed with the quality. This is really cute. Like, I feel like I'm going to wear this even when it's not on, or if I'm not, like, I don't have it charged. This is super cute and will go with everything. Duh. So there's this little logo right here. Outer layer is 100% nylon. Filling is 100% polyester. Inner layer is 100% nylon. Be sure to use the mesh laundry bag included. Hand wash with cold water. Machine wash on gentle cycle in cold water. Do not iron. Do not dry clean. Okay, good to know. So it is machine washable. That's good to know. I want to just make sure that it fits me first. Someone said that these run small. This is a woman's small. It's 7.4 volt USB. All right. But I'm assuming you don't want it too big because you want it close enough to your body. So I already have a few layers on. Let's see. I'm sitting down, so. Well, I'm 5'1" and I have a pretty short torso, so it's definitely long enough. Oh, that's not too tight. No, that fits perfect. Like, it's, of course I'm in the van, so I can't stand up that well. This feels really comfortable. So like, I have a wool sweater on, I have long sleeves underneath. This doesn't feel too tight. It just feels like snug, like secure, which I'm assuming you would still want, but it doesn't feel stiff. All right, so far I'm excited. I feel really good about the packaging, about the quality, the feel, and the fit. Like, oh my gosh, look at Florida me. Okay. This is heavy. What is this? Okay. Here is the USB-C charging cable. Oh, this is the power pack. So it actually has a screen display and it has the ports. Okay. What is this? Oh, wall charger. Cool, cool, cool. So basically you just charge the battery pack and then this will stay inside the vest. And there is a zipper right here, and then that's where you put the charging pack in and connect it. Laundry bag. So it said always wash it in the laundry bag. That's cool that it came with one. These are always nice to have no matter what. And so far, everything's really compact. These are not going to take up a lot of space in the van. That's one of our biggest like factors when buying certain gadgets is, will it bring enough value to our life versus how much room it takes up in our van? And sometimes we purchase gadgets and we're like, you know what, this is just a waste of space and we'll donate it or gift it to someone else. But these are super compact and can go in our bags and luggage and with our clothes in the back. So I am super excited. Here's the manual with all the details. I won't bore you with all of that, but I'm going to have Andrew try his on, and then we're going to charge them, and then we'll use them in a little bit.
Okay, okay. Not too shabby. Oh no, this is going to fit, I feel.
Can you zip it up?
We're going to find out.
The zip up test is...
The zip up test. Oh yeah, this is perfect.
It's not too tight at the waist.
No, it's nice. Feels
yeah,
good.
There's definitely give.
I got room in there.
Okay.
This feels warm. Oh man.
So the reviews,
even without the heat,
the reviews said that it runs small, but also keep in mind, like this is going to be like in the side. So it feels roomier up here, but it's definitely tapered down here.
I'm gonna be honest, even without it being turned on, it's pretty damn warm.
It's pretty insulated, yeah.
It's very nice.
I know, I feel like I'm gonna wear this even when it's not charged.
Damn.
Okay, I'm really happy. It looks good on you.
Fashion-wise, it's hot, dude, right?
It looks good, yeah. Like it's not, I don't know. I just feel like a heated vest. It reminded me like a heating pad or something.
It's very nice.
We're from Florida, so we don't know anything about like warm clothes, but like it looks good. We're gonna match. I fully charged the battery pack that comes with it. And I also read the instructions, and this thing is way cooler than I ever expected. Side note, you can see my breath in the van. A pocket right here that unzips, and it has a cable inside of here. You're going to take the cap off. You're going to plug that in to either side. And then we're going to put this power bank inside and zip it up. When you wash it, you also want this zipped up. Do not wash it with the power bank inside. The emblem on this vest is actually how you control the heating component. So you're going to hold down the center button for 3 seconds, and that will turn it on and also turn it off. When you first turn it on, it will light up and blink red. After a few minutes, it will automatically go to the medium setting unless you choose otherwise. So you can also control the back and front heating components separately. Red signifies high heat, that will last you around 4 hours. White signifies medium heat, that will last you around 6 hours. And blue signifies low heat, which will last you around 8 hours. The top button will turn off the lights, but still keep the vest heated if you don't want the light on. As of right now, I can honestly say I get the hype. I understand why everyone likes it. It does have pockets as well. This battery pack isn't like really that obtuse. I'm sitting down. I want to film a little bit longer, or I want to use it a little bit longer before I give my final review. So maybe we'll hang out in it tonight, and then I'll wake up tomorrow and let you know my final thoughts.
Running on low 8 hours for all night.
Yeah, exactly. And like honestly, the high heat was pretty warm. I feel like medium, especially if you're moving around, medium or low will really get the job done. But you definitely do want it to fit more snug. Like I definitely,
the sizes were right.
The sizes were right. Some people said it ran small. It is tighter around this area because think there is like a battery pack here. So it depends on your body type, but you still want it snug to you.
Are you feeling warm?
It's really nice.
Really? It's nice. Oh my God. I'm like warming up so fast. Oh, the lower back is like intense.
It's really almost kind of like therapeutic.
Yeah.
We're old. We have like neck and back pain.
I feel like I'm in a spa right now in my van.
We slept in them. I don't know if you're supposed to do that, but we live in a van, so we did. I ended up turning mine off before I like went to sleep. like to actual sleep. But yeah, it was really warm. Oh, I'm gonna make some coffee and then we're gonna walk around in them today and use them a little bit more outside and just see how we like them actually walking around and being more active. What do you think about it?
Today I've been incredibly warm. Even without the heater going, still really, really warm, super comfy, very insulated. Slept like a baby in this thing last night.
I think it's worth it. I think that there are certain things where it's worth spending the money for a good quality item that you're going to use all winter. So yeah, it's honestly insane.
I'm sold.
It's a good quality garment even without the heater. Yep. And with the heater, it was really, really nice. And I couldn't believe like all the settings and controls. And I also think it's adorable that it lights up. But overall, absolutely yes. As Floridians that have moved somewhere cold, we're probably gonna be wearing these all the time. We will have everything linked in the bio if you want to get yourself one. Once again, thank you so much to Sky. This was a very generous gift, a very fancy gift.
Big time.
She says that she has one and she has worn it for like 3 years. Other people told me like, oh my gosh, girl, you have to get a heated vest. So I guess thank you for welcoming us to the Heated Vest Club.
We love it.
Stay tuned for more unboxings and reviews where Florida people go to cold places and try out winter stuff. Bye.
See you guys.